In the springtime, in the springtime, in the springtime of the year, I met a young lady who looked like a pretty young lady who rolled in the grass. And when she rolled over, it's all fun, isn't it? Yeah.
Almost.
Oh, well.
What'd she show you?
Showed me.
What'd she show you?
She showed me her ruffles and tuffles and even a tug. She said she would teach me a new way to bring up my children and teach them to knit, while the boys in the barnyard are shoveling hay for the sheep and the goats and
Yeah.